Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the C39 Ultra 2 smartwatch, and on this video we are going to show you the process on how to connect it to our Android smartphone. We will install the app and pair it with its support app. If you want to know more, or if you want to know the process on how to connect it with your smartphone, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Alright, so let's start and pair it with its support app. So this smartwatch, I think it has a QR code here on the smartwatch. If you want to pair it, you can scan the QR code, or you can just search the name of the app. So it is using the HiWear Plus application. This QR code is also available in the support app, or in the user manual. It's also available here. I think this is also the QR code for the app. In our case, we already know the name of the app. It is using the HiWear Plus, so we'll just search it directly on Google Play Store. So open the Google Play Store, then search HiWear Plus. HiWear Plus. Okay, so we have here the app. I think it has the same logo. Let's double check it again just to make sure. We have the QR code here, and as you can see here, they have the same logo. So 500,000 downloads, no, 50,000 downloads. Okay, tap on install to download the app. So let's wait for it to finish and install the app on our Android smartphone. The download is now complete, and as you can see here, it is already installed in our smartphone. So let's open the app. Okay, agree to the user privacy. Okay, we have here a permission, allow HiWear Plus to access this device's location while using the app, allow the physical activity. This one you can deny this if you don't want to use the Bluetooth call, but in our case we'll use the Bluetooth call, so we'll allow it. Okay, again, contacts, and this one also, notifications, make and manage phone calls. So every permission is already set here before we proceed to the dashboard of the app. For the SMS, allow it. And as you can see here, it is asking to log in or register. You can use your Google account or email. In our case, this is just a demo, so we will log in directly. Okay, the account has been established. Please keep your account and password. Okay. Then we'll add our nickname. Enter for nickname Jack, then check. Okay, everything's okay. Next, go to set. Okay, so we'll allow notification permission. So denied, we'll allow it. Allow notification access, allow. Go back, go to my section, device settings here. Okay, search device. Then once turned on Bluetooth, we'll allow it so we can pair our smartwatch. Go to set, location services, activated. Okay, searching the device, and we have here a smartwatch. We have another one. Let's see. Okay, so we have here the Bluetooth address. Let's see. Let's check if it's the same with our smartwatch. 4142 6E5D. As you can see here, we do have the Bluetooth address. Okay, so the same. So this is our smartwatch. Tap on it. It's now connecting. Let's wait for it to complete its connection. It's now connecting. Device connected successfully. Bluetooth pairing request. Pair. And we are, I guess, successfully connected with our smartwatch. Let's see. Find device. And as you can see here, we have an alert. Okay. Phone. Earlier, you have seen the permission for the smartwatch. So everything is set. So there's nothing to set here. Except for the phone book, you can add your own phone number to the smartwatch. Okay, so let's try. Let's add, import. Let's see if it will work. Okay, this number. Okay, then synchronize. Synchronizing contacts. Please wait. As you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download or synchronizing mode. Let's check the contacts here. And we have here the number. Okay, so as you can see, very easy to pair. We did not encounter any issues at all, and seems like we are still connected with a smartwatch. Okay, if you have any questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below. Okay, so we have here the message reminder. Everything is set. We already set the permissions. We have the drink water reminder. You can set it. Set entire reminder. 24 clock time. We'll use the 12-hour format time. We'll follow the system when it comes to the language. Synchronize time. Let's see. Okay, so everything is okay here. Everything is set for our smartwatch. So that's it for the pairing of the C39 Ultra smartwatch with the HiWear Plus application on Android smartphone. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.